Hey there! I'm excited to share a quick deep dive into crafting a killer UI in Power Apps Canvas apps. It's kind of my thing, being a senior cloud architect with a passion for Microsoft products. I hope you are ready to get personal and professional advice straight from me. Now, designing interfaces has its own language within Power Apps, and it's my pleasure to break it down, especially in a Canvas app. Let's start with setting up a screen, because every app starts with a screen, right? Imagine it as the stage where our UI elements perform. You are literally just dragging and dropping various components onto the screen. I'll share my secret tip, and it might seem obvious, but it's golden. Before you start dragging anything, take a moment to plan the layout. It saves countless headaches later on. After setting out your layout on paper, metaphorically, of course, start by dragging the label text box, as it's the foundation. Think of it as a cornerstone. After that, I add a couple of buttons for interaction since engagement is key. From there, it's about making the UI intuitive. Maybe we add some search, which leads us into the next step, enhancing with data sources. Data binding in Power Apps is like creating a pond that reflects the world around you. You fetch some data, say from a gallery, and bind it to a gallery control. When you do this, it feels magical seeing data populate your screen. But hey, it's more science than magic, you get the hang of it. Now comes the art of troubleshooting when things don't appear right. Sometimes the data just doesn't want to behave, and we go through a dance of checking data source connections and adjusting things on the screen. It's all about finding the right rhythm. As we venture into advanced configurations, we get to make our Canvas app sophisticated and adaptable. One fantastic feature is leveraging templates. Think of them as chameleons for your screens. It allows you to create a template screen and then modify it for different data types. It's efficient and elegant. What's a UI without some animation and transitions? Sure, a screen shouldn't be static, so to bring life to our UI, we animate elements, which not only helps navigation but enchants users as they engage with the application. Remember, as a senior cloud architect with years of refining these practices, I've learned something important: the importance of testing. Testing isn't just a step, it's an ongoing process to ensure your app performs beautifully as intended. Automated testing tools in Power Apps are your co-pilots in this journey, guaranteeing reliability and smoothing workflow transitions. So let's not underestimate the potential of Canvas apps. We're crafting not just an app, but a tool that enhances lives, and that's pretty powerful. I've also touched on best practices, guided folks through some nitty-gritty details on a step-by-step walkthrough, and provided insights into enterprise-level strategies. So, imagine what can be done when you are ready to scale these UIs for impact. Remember, I'm here to guide you, not just with my expertise, but with the passion I bring, because building user-friendly interfaces shouldn't feel like rocket science. It should feel like creating something impactful and alive. Before I wrap up, I want to touch on collaboration tools. It's a critical piece, as you might know. It's always about people and how they work together. Features like shared sessions and team canvases enable collective brainstorming, which is pivotal for co-creating, brainstorming, or providing feedback on the UI mockups. And folks, it's been an enriching discussion, just like building the perfect UI for Canvas apps. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned pro, there's always room to grow and learn something new. So, channel your inner designer and take the first step towards creating something phenomenal. One final piece of advice: And I always say this, remember that a powerful UI makes a difference. So take it back to the drawing board, get your teams in on the fun, and let's make the digital experience a joy. And because I feel like sharing a part of this experience with our community is like pouring some love back into the world, check out Neeraj's video course on Canvas apps on techlab.io. There, you'll find a treasure of tutorials, examples, and real-world scenarios to make your UI journey even more invigorating. Hit subscribe. Together, let's make the digital future shine with beautifully designed user interfaces ready for our business needs.